Are you new to Italian direct object pronouns? What are they and how do you use them? Say you're at a shop in Rome picking out souvenirs for your loved ones and you ask,
Quanto costa?
how much is it? After you decide to buy it, you can sound more like a local by saying,
La prendo.
I'll take it, instead of the full sentence, which would be,
Prendo questa stampa.
I'll take this print. In this example, la is a direct object pronoun, replacing questa stampa, so you don't have to repeat the word. This is the role of Italian direct object pronouns. They replace the direct object in a sentence, preventing repetitive language and smoothing the flow of conversation. In this lesson, I'll share with you everything you need to know about how to use direct object pronouns in Italian, including lots of real-world practical examples. Don't worry, you don't need to take any notes. I've done all the hard work for you. To help you practice, make sure you download your free PDF cheat sheet for this lesson. It includes all the vocabulary and examples that you're going to learn here today. Just click on the link in the description below this video. Pronti? Iniziamo! Now, when you start learning Italian, it's pretty common to keep repeating the same basic phrases and words. But if you're gunning for fluency, it's time to shake things up a bit. The key is to familiarize yourself with Italian pronouns to inject rhythm into your sentences. Take a look at this chart of Italian direct object pronouns.
Mi, me,
Me,
ti, te,
you,
lo, la, lui, lei,
him, it, you,
la, lei, lei,
her, it, you,
ci, noi,
us,
vi, voi,
you, plural,
li, loro,
them, masculine,
le, loro.
them, feminine. Italian direct object pronouns vary based on the gender, masculine or feminine, and number, singular or plural, of the noun they replace. Like indirect object pronouns, they are categorized into two types, unstressed or atonic and stressed, tonic. The atonic pronouns blend into the sentence with less emphasis. For example,
Pietro mi ama.
Pietro loves me, where me is the direct object pronoun. On the other hand, tonic pronouns are used for emphasis. Take a look at this same example again.
Pietro ama me.
Pietro loves me, where me is stressed. Think of it like the emphasis in English, like you're eating a pizza, but I'm eating a gelato. The emphasis is on me, I. In other words, what we're saying here is that all of the people that Pietro could love, he loves me. Atonic direct object pronouns are most frequently used in Italian. With them, the focus of the sentence is shifted towards the action or the verb rather than the object or the pronoun. They are placed before the conjugated verb. Take a look at these examples.
Luigi la chiama al telefono tutti i giorni.
Luigi calls her on the phone every day.
Li hanno chiamati per il rimborso.
They called them for a refund.
Amo molto I film. Mi piace guardarli al cinema.
I love movies. I like to watch them at the cinema. There are some exceptions to the positioning of pronouns. With infinitive, gerund, and imperative forms, these pronouns follow the verb, forming a single word. Take a look at this example.
Non vedo l'ora di leggerlo.
I can't wait to read it.
Guardandolo per la prima volta mi vennero I brividi.
Looking at it for the first time, I got shivers.
Mangiala.
Eat it. In the imperative negative form, the direct object pronoun can be placed before the infinitive verb or after it. Thus, both
Non guardarla.
and
Non la guardare.
can be used with the meaning don't look at her. Attenzione! With the present perfect, the direct object pronouns lo and la shorten to L apostrophe in front of the auxiliary verb avere, to have. Take a look at this example.
Anna ha chiamato Lucia.
Anna called Lucia becomes
Anna l'ha chiamata.
Also, with this tense, the ending of the past participle changes according to the gender and number of the direct object pronoun. For example,
Ho comprato la borsa.
becomes
L'ho comprata.
I bought it, feminine. Or
Ho comprato il libro.
becomes
L'ho comprato.
I bought it, masculine. Are you enjoying this lesson? Don't let the learning stop here. Make sure you download your free PDF cheat sheet for this lesson, which you'll find a link to in the description below. Now let's take a look at stressed or tonic direct object pronouns in Italian. These are used in sentences where the focus is on the pronoun itself, or when the pronoun stresses the identity of the person involved, often contrasting with someone else. They always follow the verb. Take a look at these examples.
Hanno scelto lei per quella parte nel musical, non me.
They chose her for that part in the musical, not me.
Ora andiamo a cercare un regalo per loro?
Now shall we go find a gift for them?
Io ho sempre amato te, non lui.
I've always loved you, not him. Attenzione! Tonic direct object pronouns can often appear after words such as
Anche,
also,
persino,
even,
eccetto.
except. Take a look at these examples.
Anna e Sandro hanno invitato anche voi al matrimonio?
Did Anna and Sandro also invite you to the wedding?
Hanno partecipato tutti alla riunione, tranne noi.
Everyone attended the meeting except for us. To continue your learning and to help you practice, make sure you download your free PDF cheat sheet for this lesson, which you'll find a link to in the description below this video. Are you serious about learning Italian? Want to have more authentic travel experiences or connect with your Italian heritage or Italian partner? Now you can learn Italian the fun and efficient way with my unique 80-20 method. Join Intrepid Italian and learn anywhere, anytime, and on any device with my online self-paced video courses. For more details, check out the links in the description below. So now that you know how to use direct object pronouns in Italian, make sure you watch this lesson here to learn how to use indirect object pronouns too. They're also very important. In the meantime, hit that like button, subscribe to my channel, and turn on those notifications to get an alert when I post more videos like this one. Un abbraccio. Ciao!